Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examinations after you have completed your LLB or LLM, then you are at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Legal Bee. लीगल बी पे आपको हम एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड सारे अपडेट्स देते रहते हैं and not only updates information but also strategic preparation videos, strategically important content, conceptual clarity and whatnot. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो आप हमें सीधा रीच आउट कर सकते हैं इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में, या फिर आप हमारे ईमेल आईडी पे ईमेल कर सकते हैं on hello@iexambi.com. You can also call us on the number 9205524028 and visit our website www.iexambi.com. iexambi की वेबसाइट पे जाके आप कोर्सेज चेक कर सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल फॉर वेरियस एग्जामिनेशंस like IBPS SO Law Officers, IBPS RRB, SEBI, RBI and various other courses. You can check out the online course demo as well and prepare 50% faster with us. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I have recently started a video series on Legal Bee which I have covered for various subjects. हर एक वीडियो में मैंने अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ने का सबसे ईजीएस्ट तरीका बताया है with the number of hours that you need to devote for topics and ultimately calculating the number of days for you. This will help you understand the important areas from each subject and also how much time you have to devote for each subject. If you are preparing for competitive exams, definitely this content will be very helpful for you. मैंने इस सीरीज में लगभग हर एक सब्जेक्ट कवर कर लिया है. Now I am just left with one or two subjects which I am covering in these videos. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड और भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. हाउ टू कंप्लीट दिस सब्जेक्ट इन अ टाइम स्पैन ऑफ 6 days. दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू comprehensively tell you that how you can also study the changes incorporated under BNSS. So watch this video till the end. You have a study tab for CRPC or BNSS. That this is a very lengthy subject but an easy one. It is easy to grasp and remember. So if you get questions from this area, definitely you will score well. क्योंकि tricky questions आने के chances बहुत कम है because content easy है, just length में ज़्यादा है. So according to exam, whatever the topics are important, those topics you give priority and study in a priority manner. Be prepared with all the important topics and that I'm going to tell you shortly. First day you can take up all the important definitions. बेल, ऑडियो विजुअल मीन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन, ये नया प्रोविज़न है जो ऐड किया गया है फॉर ट्रायल्स, फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, इंक्वायरी, जो BNSS में ऐड किया है. तो अभी ये डेफिनेशन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाती है आपके लिए. चार्ज, कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस, कंप्लेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन अगेन, इंक्वायरी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ट्रायल, ये सब बेसिक्स तो आपको पढ़ने ही हैं. दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज इवन इफ 10 new laws come instead of BNSS. CRPC का जो बेसिक है वो तो हमेशा सेम ही रहेगा. चार्ज, कॉग्निजेबल, नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस, इंक्वायरी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ट्रायल, all these are very basic important concepts. So definitely you have to go through all the concepts. Start with the definitions first. Then you can go through the criminal courts and the hierarchy of the criminal courts. What are the sentencing powers of these courts? So all of this you can do on the first day, and for that you may require a time span of 3 hours. Second day you can take up arrest, very important subject. Summons, warrant, what are these basically? Summons case, warrant case आप definitions में पहले भी cover कर लेना. Search, seizure, search warrants, ये सारे basics आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, important है. Then order for maintenance of wife, children and parents. Earlier it was 125, now it is not 125, it is 144. So that also you have to check out what are the updated section numbers, especially the landmark section numbers. One more interesting thing I will tell you, section number of 154, earlier what it was, now it is what? जो कंटेंट्स 154 के थे अब वो 173 में है. 173 लैंडमार्क क्यों है? बिकॉज अर्लियर इट वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट चार्जशीट, नाउ इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट FIR. सो ऐसे कुछ लैंडमार्क चेंजेस और लैंडमार्क सेक्शन नंबर्स जो अब चेंज हुए उतना आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने आपको कहा 125 इज नाउ 144. Third day, you can take up maintenance of public order and tranquility, information to police and their powers to investigation. इसमें से आप important sections पढ़ना. Information to police and their powers to investigate is an important chapter. इसको completely अगर आप पढ़ सके तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. 3 to 4 hours depending upon your availability of time, your basic knowledge or underlining idea of the subject. Fourth day, you can take up conditions requisite for initiation of proceedings, how the complaint will initiate, complaint to magistrates, commencement of proceedings before magistrates, and charge. All these topics are interrelated, so I have taken that in one day. Fourth day, you can cover all that in 4 hours. Do it nicely because this is again a crux of CRPC. So that's why 4 hours have been devoted. Fifth day, you can take up the trials part. All the types of trials, I would suggest you to make a flow chart and prepare yourself with the difference between and the categories. Sessions trial, trial before magistrate, in that summons trial, warrant trial, summary trial. This is very, very important crux of CRPC. Then coming to judgment, confirmation cases, appeal, reference, revision. ये जो judgment से लेके revision तक का part है ये आपको पूरा नहीं पढ़ना है. Just you have to have a basic information about it. What it is, what is the important area or important provision of that, that's it. उसको आप थोड़ा फास्ट में पढ़ सकते हैं लेकिन ट्रायल्स को आपको डिटेल में कवर करना होगा. So your fifth day, fourth day, fifth day again are very important for the subject. Execution, suspension, remission and commutation of sentences. यहाँ से भी कभी कभार MCQs पूछे जाते हैं. So you can go through this. And bail provisions. Bail provisions also which are very important. Bail before next appellate court. Anticipatory bail. So these are some provisions which you should know. So you can go through that. It's easy. 4 hours you can denote on the fifth day. Sixth day, that is the last day, you can take up all the changes that have been incorporated. अभी तक आपने बेसिक्स पढ़े CRPC से और कुछ डेफिनेशंस मैंने आपको बताए और स्पेसिफिकली क्या क्या चेंजेस इनकॉर्पोरेट किए गए हैं उसको आप लास्ट डे पर पढ़ सकते हैं. लाइक दिस योर सब्जेक्ट स्टडी विल बिकम वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. यू विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन, basic content of CRPC with the changes that have been incorporated. Now I will tell you some changes like electronic communication. I already told you, use of electronic devices, even mobile phones for spot investigation, and immediately the information or the recordings from mobile phone are being forwarded by the police officer to the magistrate. इस तरीके के provisions BNSS ने provide किए हैं to match the investigation as per today's technology, take benefit of that and cut the delay in investigation. Inquiry and trial and registration of FIR as well, electronic communication is being used nowadays. Then timelines have been provided to address the delays in investigation and trial. In these many days the judgment should be passed, in these many days the investigation should be completed, पुलिस कस्टडी कितने दिन के लिए हो सकती है. तो ये सारे टाइमलाइंस ज़रूर आप लोग पढ़िएगा, ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. विटनेस कंपनसेशन स्कीम, ऐसी कुछ नॉवल चीज़ें जो ऐड हुई हैं, यू कैन कवर दैट. And this is how you can complete the subject in a very comprehensive manner, starting with all the basics, updating yourself with the topic first, with the subject first, then going to the changes that have been introduced. So this is how you can complete this subject in a time span of 6 days. Again, ultimately this is tentative in nature. It depends upon your level of preparation, your level of understanding and availability of time with you. But let me tell you, ये अगर 6 days में नहीं तो 7 days में हो जाना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट. 7 days के अंदर ये कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट रिक्वायर मोर देन 7 days at the most. If you have any queries, we are there to help you out. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. Download our app from Google Play Store. Check out all the features available on iExamB's app as well. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.